Hello student, myself Preetika Rai. Today we are going to talk about the chapter 2 of your English reader book, The Quality of a Ruler. What should be a real quality of a ruler? Is he it is enough he should have only a strong and a powerful, or he should be possess all human qualities? We will know what should be a quality of a ruler through this chapter. So let's start. There was a king who ruled over a kingdom. He was very noble and generous. He has a very generous council minister who always advised him in all the state affairs. And that chief minister always helped in every state affair. But the chief minister wanted to retire from his active life because he wanted to spend rest of his time in the service of God and in the company of the holy men. When the king listened about the chief minister's desire, he was little bit worried, but he advised to the chief minister that he should select such a person like you who can handle all the state affairs very politely like him. So the chief minister assured him that he would definitely search such a person who will see all the state affairs rightly and confidently. So the chief minister asked announcer to announce in the kingdom that he is going to organize a sport meeting in which all the young men should participate in that game. So the announcer announced in the kingdom that all what the chief minister has said, and chief minister also said that he himself would judge all the participants and will see that what are the qualities in the participants. So one day, all the participants started to assemble in the royal court, and they came there and they started to spend their time in the royal court. Some were spending their time in ideal gossiping, and some were spending their time to sleep all the day, and some of them were spending their time in reading book. In meanwhile, the chief minister asked to his trusted man to call the participants one by one, and he would ask all the participants a question. If he answered the question rightly, he would select them for the next sport. So the trusted man announced in the royal court that what the chief minister has said. So one by one all the participants came, and those participants who answered well were selected, and those participants who did not answer the questions of the chief minister was not selected. So at last some of the participants were selected for the sport meeting. So one day the chief minister announced the sport meeting, and all the participants assembled in the big ground and to show their talent. So chief minister started to see all the participants quality there. All the participants were excited because they thought that he would be selected and would get a good job in the royal court. And slowly all the participants started to start game, and one by one all the participants were preserved, and only the 15 participants were left. So the chief minister announced that he is going to organize a marathon race, and they would participate in that race. So all the participants started running, and because they wanted to win that race, but one of the young men was very generous in that participants, because suddenly when the man saw a old man who was lying on the road and was crying because one of his leg was injured and was not able to cross the road. So that firstly the that young man was hesitated, but he thought that he should help that old man. So he came near to the old man and helped him to stand on his leg, and they reached to the house of that old man. But unfortunately, that young man did not want that race. So, Chief Minister announced the name of the winner and he gave the prize in the royal court. But the Chief Minister came near to the young man. He said to the young man, he reached very late in the ground, so we are not selecting you in for any job in the royal court. So sadly that young man came back to his home. But what happens then? The next day, a messenger of the king reached at his home. When the young man opened the door, the messenger gave him a letter that king has given to that young man. The young man opened the letter. He started to reading what was written in that letter. So let's read. The king has written that he wanted a person for a chief minister position who has a human qualities, who has not only the physically able but also mentally able, who should have a quality like pity and kindness in him, because we are selecting a chief minister who can see all the state affair very rightly and generously. So my chief minister has suggested me your name, so I am selecting you as a position of the chief minister. So, after reading this letter, the young man was very happy. His eyes were full of tears. He was very thankful to the chief minister and also king. So, in this way, the story completed. So, what should we learn from this story? We should learn that if we not only have physical quality but also a human quality like pity and kindness in ourselves, we will always get love of everyone and everyone will appreciate our quality. So we should have this quality in ourselves.